Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2016 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 9,671 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, heated grips, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and reverse. It's been upgraded with passenger floorboard lights, 4-inch slip-on mufflers, chrome rear bumper, Harley-Davidson grips, rider floorboards, brake pedal, shifter peg, headlight and passing lamp visors, windshield trim, LED front turn signals, and a timing cover. The TRIGLIDE offers the power, luxury, and style of the Electroglide, but with the stability of 3 wheels, making it accessible to more riders. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the TRIGLIDE puts 87 horsepower and 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 27.1 inch seat height and weighs in at 1,204 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.